Let me see.
That was a bug, not a firefly. Fireflies are not like that at all.
Let's go find a different one.
Find one that's got a bright butt.
You see him?
I saw one right there.
There's another one. I saw it.
You did? I saw one. They're coming.
Oh, there was one over there.
Oh, there's one by your slide.
Let's go see.
I want to catch it.
There's a bunch of them over there on the other side of the slide now.
Huh?
We'll wait for him.
He's not there anymore.
Oh, they're all flying around over there.
That open spot.
There's one there, right here.
Get it. Let me get it.
Where did he go?
He's behind you.
Okay, be real still.
Bunch of them behind me.
There.
So we have to catch him this time.
Where'd they go? There's one down there.
I found one.
Yeah, I thought that was
I found one over here.
Can you get it? Did he go in the field? He went to hang with the cows, huh? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam and I am the owner of two Etsy shops, Malia Stitches and Jocelyn's Comfy Apparel. Today we're going to do kind of a work with me video where I take you along with me while I make orders for my Etsy shop. So if you are excited about that, stay tuned and let's get started.
Can you do this for me?
I can't get up alone, too heavy on my own. The world is moving on, I'm still standing.
Okay, so while that is going, I'm gonna stitch out or cut out some bummies. This is a birthday outfit, so it comes with a shirt and a pair of bummies. So here are the cactus fabric that I use. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and so I'm gonna cut that out real quick.
Searching for steady ground, a place to settle down. No reasons left to find. One day I'll change your mind, and it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight. And I will run across the rivers, anywhere with you. I won't give up, I'll take my chances, and I will follow you through the night. I'll follow you.
And just for me, I always put a pin on the back piece of the pattern, just so that I know that's the back. I don't get the two front and back mixed up.
I make the same mistakes, forget how much it takes. No reasons left behind. One day I'll make you mine, and it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight. And I know you can see it too, so keep me hanging on, across the rivers, anywhere.
Alright, so this one's finished. This one is an autism awareness shirt, and one of our fellow embroiderers purchased this from us. So thank you, Janelle, for purchasing this, and I hope your son Julian really loves this and gets a lot of use out of it. Okay, so I need to make some tags for the bummies that I have orders for. So here I just print out some tags. It gives my logo, says made in the US, what it's made of, how to wash it, and the size. So I use a piece of cotton, or these are the printable transfers that you can get at Walmart. And I just print like a big sheet of them and then cut out each individual label. And so I need to take a piece of cotton fabric, lay these down facing down, and I'm going to press it for about a minute, and then we have to peel that off real quick. It's a hot peel and it has to be peeled off quickly, otherwise it doesn't peel off real well, but I will show you that here in just a minute. So while that's still pressing, this is what I buy from Walmart to print my labels. I just print them out on these sheets. Sorry, that's real zoomed in, but I just print it out on these sheets. Make sure to use the light colored transfer and to flip your image or mirror your image before you print it. And then you just press it on here as directed. And it's not quite ready yet, so I'm going to press it a little bit longer. Okay, we'll try it now. Like I said, you got to peel it real quick. So this one came off, and this one should come off as well. There it goes. So now you have your labels. So I'm just going to let this cool off, and then I'm going to cut them out so that they are like 1 inch by 1.5 inch pieces, and then we just sew them into our garment. Okay, so I've cut this out. Hope you can see that. And on the top and bottom, I leave like 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, because that's going to be sewn into the seam when you fold it up like this and sew it. That's going to be sewn into the seam. If you don't leave that area, you're going to sew your print in there, and they're not going to be able to read it. So make sure you leave like 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch on the top and the bottom, so that it doesn't get sewn into the seam. So that's what it'll look like on the item. Alright, so let's go sew some bummies.
Spin me around and around, turn me upside down, spin me around and around, let me feel, spin me again and again, till I'm upside down, calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, tell me I'm the only one, I've been lost and found, I've been on the ground.
So for those that sew bummies, are wanting to sew bummies, this is just kind of a tip. This fabric right here is a cotton knit fabric. It's actually the cotton organic cotton knit from Spoonflower. But see how it's not rolling around like that? This is more of a polyester, and it's rolling. So it is the polyester ones are a little bit harder to sew with.
I've been hiding out while shouting out, you would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down, spin me around and around, let me feel, spin me again and again, till I'm upside down, calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold, I've been digging gold, I've been crying out, been lying about everything but now. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down, spin me around and around, let me feel, spin me again and again, till I'm upside down, calling again and again, my name. Turn me upside down, turn me upside down, oh, turn me upside down, turn me upside down, oh, I've been lost and found, I've been on the ground, I've been hiding out, while shouting out, you would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down, spin me around and around, let me feel, spin me again and again, till I'm upside down, calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming.
Alright, there's a pair of bummies. We just have to add the tag to it and then they're all ready to go. I'm going to finish up this one real quick and then we'll finish up everything else. Put the tender touch on everything and then we'll be done. Okay, before we finish up here, I want to take a few minutes to talk about our channel. From here on out, we're going to be posting one video a week, and that will be available on every Wednesday. As you know, I work a full-time job, have a big family, and am running this business. So it is kind of hard to get all the videos out that I wanted to, so we are going to kind of slow it down a little bit for now and post one video a week. Also, we've just gone over 500 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for supporting us. We love hanging out with you guys, and we love sharing our experience, so thank you so much for your support, and just kind of keep in mind that once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. Probably be an Amazon gift card or some kind of gift card to help you guys get your supplies and stuff that you need for your business. So with that being said, let's finish up. All right, we are all finished. We've gotten all the orders we can get done today. Here they all are. It's the llama outfit. Here's our sunflower bummies. These are all our care cards, and then we've got everybody a thank you card wrote up. So if, just like most people, our shop's been real slow, so what we did to help with that is we upped our ads amount, so we're using $8 a day for ads on Etsy. That seems to have helped us quite a bit, so we went from pretty much no orders to I've got 7 open orders now, so which we've completed some of those today. But anyway, so ads do help our shop. Some people say they don't help theirs, but they do help ours. So if you're struggling, consider maybe putting some money towards ads if you don't already. And we hope you guys love this video. Thanks for following us along while we worked on some orders. And if you have any suggestions and videos, put them down below in the comments. Consider subscribing wherever the subscribe button is. Over there. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.